Okay, in this demo, we're going to show you how to use the Easiio ChatAI to query your database. So first, you go to ChatAI setting and go to your organization's chatbot. They should have a channel. Okay, click on the channel, and it will take you to this. And go down to here. There's a database, and make sure you add the database here. Okay, so in this case, I have a MySQL database. Or you can also have a Snowflake, and we should have the Databricks ready soon. Okay, once you have this data source set up, you just need to get the information of this database correctly. And once you have that, you need to add MySQL to the next step is to add the MySQL to your chatbot. So basically, you will come here. Let me show you how to add that to your chatbot. And then, okay, so Easiio ChatAI, and then you can set character bot. And here you click that. You can set add preview bot, and here is there's a SQL channel. Okay, you just click this and then say confirm, which bring you here. Okay, and in this case, I already add, and make sure you put these things correctly. And before okay. Yeah, SQL channel. You can change this icon. And yeah, just say OK, save, and you will have the MySQL channel. Okay. Now, once you have that, you can come to your chatbot. Here, I have my chatbot here, and yeah, I can find the MySQL. No MySQL, in the SQL. So you just have to switch this channel. Okay. And once you switch channel, you can also change the database or the tables you're querying. And you ask question of how many users. It'll tell you how many users. Okay, let's come up. How many org. Okay, and then list of the top 5 org that has most of the chat session. Show the org name and the session and chat session. Yeah, you can see. Okay, this organization and oh, this is total. Let's say, okay, I'm going to see the reason in the last 7 days. So this is going to give me the yeah, most recent chat. You can see this easier. So number 1. Or you can say the same thing in table format. Okay, in a table format, or you can set in graph format with HTML. I'll ask it to create HTML with that. Oops. Wow. Let me see if it works this way. Aha, it seems to be working. You can view HTML content and see, okay, Easiio equals, yep. So that's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to go back to the other things. Okay, so this is original. Okay, you can see you can easily query your database, and you can do the same thing for Snowflake. How many manual? It has only one table. Top 5 manual in table format. Okay, there we go. Manuals with details. Okay, now you have everything. Okay, go hard, please. Sales price. Okay, so you can see the SQL. There's a SQL. You can copy it and use it in your program. So you can actually use this to write your SQL very easily. And besides these features, we also have something called the dashboard. Go all the way down. Go all the way down to the bottom of this, and then dashboard. You can create a dashboard by drag and drop, and then use the natural language to describe your data. So, for example, this is my test data. I already have this, but if you looking at, you can easily change the things by changing the prompt. So that's a prompt, right? It's top org. Let me change to 7. Okay. Oh, no data. Yeah, success. Okay, so yeah, so this is how we're going to work with this dynamic query. Okay, and that's it for today's demo. And you can also check just like a normal. And another feature we can show you is the use it to create lots of blog. Okay, so I can say that publish news publishing team. Yep, we can ask it to write something and then post it to WordPress. Okay, and I'm not going to do it here, but you can try it. Okay, thank you, and you can try it for free, and then yeah, and pay if you like it. Thank you for your attention, and bye for now.